Introducing a compact, high-efficiency laboratory shaker designed for precision and flexibility. A patent-pending self-adjusting clamp securely holds flasks from 20 to 50 millimeters. With 8 pressure points, it delivers a stable, uniform grip, even under dynamic motion. Flexible control over speed and amplitude enables precise mixing conditions. True three-dimensional motion, including vertical displacement, ensures consistent agitation. A rotating platform holds up to 10 flasks, providing easy access to every sample. Efficient operation at just 8 watts keeps energy use low. Quiet performance in a compact footprint make it ideal for any lab environment. Simple controls allow precise adjustment of speed, direction, and timing. Built for reproducibility, designed for modern laboratories,